Fidget trading. Does anybody have anything to trade for my heart puppet? Going once, going twice.
Me.
Yes. Do you have any offers?
I'll trade you this ball.
Okay. This is a really rare fidget,
Fine,
so can you
I'll
please
add.
add? One more item and I'll do it.
See what I have.
I accept. Thank you. Here. Forgot to grab that.
Thank you.
Okay, does anybody want my wacky track? Wait a second, let me just undo it. Does anybody want my wacky track? Nobody? Going once? Going twice? Okay.
Can I put one up?
You, ma'am?
Yes, I want to trade one.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, can I trade these two things?
Let me just make sure there's no scams because
I know scams are really,
yeah, a lot of scams are happening.
Yeah, they're really common, so I understand.
Spa's a little hard, but okay, let me see
If
I
you
have
want, I can
anything.
just take away the ball.
No, it's fine. I'll trade you a bike chain and magnets. A bike chain and magnets. It's under here, by the way.
Okay. I accept.
Okay. No takebacks.
No take back.
Guys, I kept the bike chain. I didn't actually give it to her.
Hey, you kept the
No,
bike chain.
I said no takebacks. No
Cheater.
takebacks.
Give me that back. Cheat. Well, I have that.
Okay, guys. I think this girl scammed me, and I'm going to give her this. I'm just gonna give somebody this because it's literally as hard as rock. I hate it. And then I also, who the heck's speeding? And I also got this, so I'm gonna trade this to my friend. Okay, do you want these two really nice squishies? See, I can squish it.
Sure. I'll trade you 2 poppets.
2 poppets. These are really legendary.
It's 2 balls for 2 poppets. These are bigger and more legendary.
These are really good squishies, so you're gonna have to add or else I can't accept.
Fine. But no scams. Let me feel them first. These are as hard as a rock. I ain't trading you anything.
Too bad! He said that I can have the poppet!
My poppets! Hey, give them back!
It's dinner time!
It's dinner time.
Bye, guys. I hope you like the trading.